Welcome to this Rollon Tech Talk. I'm Jacob Rinda, and in today's episode, we're looking at how to select and combine compact rail track roller linear guides featuring our T, U, and K rail geometries. A wide array of automotion applications rely on linear guides for single or multi-axis linear motion. Misalignment is often a major concern when selecting linear guides, and it's normally more practical to incorporate a self-aligning linear guide than to try to achieve perfect guide alignment. Rollon's Compact Rail is the industry's leading choice for misalignment compensating linear guides. The guide rails come in 3 different variations, T, U, and K, and are combined in different ways to satisfy different application requirements. Compact Rail T-rails have a T-shaped arched raceway to trap roller bearings riding within the rail. So T-rails function as fixed bearing rails supporting radial and axial loads. Compact Rail U-rails have flat raceways to allow the slider to move inwards and outwards in the rail. U-rails function as floating bearing rails that carry radial forces. And Compact Rail K-rails have one flat raceway shoulder and one arched raceway shoulder. K-rails function as a floating linear bearing that can carry radial and axial forces while allowing the slider to tilt in the rail. Both T and K rails can be used alone as single rails. However, many applications benefit from parallel rails. A U-rail combined with a K-rail forms a KU linear bearing assembly that accommodates some parallelism misalignment and relatively dramatic height offset between the rails. A U-rail combined with a T-rail allows for very small vertical offsets, but relatively large parallelism misalignments. These TU assemblies excel where a payload requires radial support as well as precision placement despite imperfect parallelism between the rails. Ideally, the T-rail in this setup would be installed so it carries the majority of the load to ensure maximum accuracy and rigidity. A KU linear bearing assembly may be the most suitable choice for an axis that is multiple meters long and maybe lower on one end than the other. This KU setup can accommodate significant differences in height and some difference in parallelism, making it ideal for low accuracy applications. For axis with a TU rail set or KU rail set, that fixed bearing rail installs first, then the compensating bearing rail. The compensating rail should be floated in, so screws should be loosely set and a carriage run through the assembly. The carriage should be parked at the midpoint of the axis and then the screws tightened down to the appropriate specified torques. For contaminated environments, special surface coatings and wipers are available to protect against debris in the raceways or other environmental contamination. For more information on a wide array of linear motion solutions, including Compact Rail, please visit our website at rollon.com. And if you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.